Having seen that we had design warnings, we have now come back to the RO design screen, and we will now try to address the design warnings. For this attempt, what we will try to do is change the elements inside the pressure vessel, and we will do what we call an internally staged design, where we change the elements inside the pressure vessel instead of using the same element in each position in the pressure vessel. So to do that kind of a design, we click on this ISD button, which then brings up the ability to pick the exact element that goes into each position inside the pressure vessel. So now we will try, we'll go with HRLE for half the pressure vessel, and we'll try XFR. There we go. X for the second half. So here, this allows us to put different elements in different positions. So we'll now try to see if that eliminated our problems. Okay. We still have some warnings. Let's check what they are. Permeate flow is just a little too high. That's easily solved by going back to the design screen. And adding a pressure vessel. So we've now come to the report. We have no design warnings, so we now have a valid design. So here we can see all our flow rates, the summary of what's going on in each pass, and the details of each pass. So if we look at our pass 2 effluent water quality, we got down to about 21 microsiemen water with a TDS of 10. So pretty good water quality.